Meet Vivid, the fastest pill counter ever. It combines pharmacy automation with the familiarity of your classic pill counting tray. Using the Vivid is fast and easy. Just pour the pills on the tray and get the count instantly. Always verified and updated in real time. Use the spatula to remove any excess quantity. Then tilt the tray to place the pills into one of the dispensing tubes and complete the count. It's that simple. It's maintenance-free, and there is no calibration or pill training required. Just count and fill. With only a single scan, it logs drug data, prescription number, and quantity. It validates and forces Class II double counts to make sure that the right drug and quantity is dispensed. The Vivid is fully configurable. Use your cloud account to add an unlimited number of users and access your transaction reports through the Vivid dashboard or any other device. Equipped with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, it's the pill counter you want with the features you need. So chuck the tray and automate today.